God-given gift, chosen from all eternity, blessed in so many ways, to be broken as a self-gift for others. Over the years of my religious life, I experienced the loving, motherly presence of our Blessed Mother, my Mama, tangibly at various occasions. She never lets me down, and I feel her presence very close, walking side by side and guiding me through. One experience, though it happened almost 14 years back, is very vivid in my mind. At that time, I was a principal in our school at Kattapana, and during summer vacation, we used to begin classes for 9th, 10th and 12th from 2nd May onwards. It will go on till 27th May and then have the orientation for teachers and students as well. Even after 2 months of search, we did not get a physics teacher, and so all the other subjects other than physics were taken. In the meantime, we were praying intensely for this grace. Through different means we inquired, searched, and also given advertisement in the local TV channel. In my utter helplessness on 23rd May, I went to the chapel and told our Blessed Mother, "Mama, tomorrow is a great day for you, the feast of Mary Help of Christians. In heaven, there will be a lot of joy and celebration around you with all the saints and angels and special moments in the Salesian garden. If you don't give me a physics teacher by tomorrow, I will take away your scepter and you will have to be without one during the joyous celebration. And it will not look good at all without the scepter in your hand. And all those who come into this chapel will see you standing without the scepter." Next day, 24th May, at 10 o'clock as well as at 12 noon, I went to the chapel and reminded my Mama of my anxiety, tension, fear and the cause of it. Before lunch, I asked sorry and reminded once again. After lunch, when I went to make my visit to the Blessed Sacrament, with tears rolling down my cheeks and with a shiver on my hands, I took the scepter of my Mama, wrapped it in a cloth and kept it in my desk in the study hall. Whether you believe it or not, at about 3 p.m., a smart-looking gentleman came into the school office and asked, "Is there a vacancy for physics in our school?" He spoke very good English too. He told me that some urge within him was there to come to our school that day itself and inquire for a vacancy. We appointed him and he was very efficient in handling the subject physics. I began to shiver within myself, and as soon as he left, I ran and took the scepter, asked sorry and gave it back to my Mama and told her that I will never again do such a thing in my life. One thing I am sure, and I believe, that in our troubles, difficulties, problems and utter helplessness, if we challenge and pray with faith, she will definitely act. She will never let us down. She is our Mother, dearest Mama.